Hey guys, welcome to week 58, which is the April 6th through April 12th set of lessons and tasks. First of all, before we get into that, as far as week 57 is concerned, thank you for going in and participating in the Kubrick discussion. Um, if you look on Focus, I've already entered grades and stuff. Um, Make sure that you do all of the tasks that are in each week. Okay? Go through each of the things that I've asked you to do. And the reason why I ask you to do that is because not everything was done by everyone in class. So, if you're not sure if you did it, make sure that you look at each one of these things, cross-reference into Focus, and that will tell you what you have or have not done. If you decide to go back and take care of a missing assignment, I will not grade it unless you tell me that you've done it. How do you tell me? You send me a message through Schoology so I get the notification and I can see what you're missing, because in that message that you're going to send me, you're going to say, hey, in week 57, I didn't do this assignment. Now I have. Can you go in and do it? Okay? I really don't want to have to go back repeatedly to check out like missing assignments and stuff like that. So please make sure that you just take care of stuff. These last like 4 weeks or so of this class are actually really easy. So there really shouldn't be any like last minute submissions. It really shouldn't be any missing submissions because everything is so easy because you've taken care of all the tough stuff in the course. Okay? As far as this week is concerned, week 58, I have a little video for you. And then we have a couple of lessons here. We have the discussion, the best and worst of CGI. Jake has already posted something. And of course, it was about the video already. I was hoping that you weren't going to choose something that was in the video, that you were going to choose something else. But your example, Jacob, was pretty bad. All right. Post up your initial prompt, respond to your classmate, and make sure you do that, by the end of the week. But the first prompt really should be done, or the first post should be done by Wednesday. That gives you Thursday, Friday, or the remaining part of the week to actually respond. Okay? If you have any questions, post up in the weekly Q&A area. And honestly, that's it for this week. Easy, right? Again, like the next few weeks are going to be all pretty much that same type of format. You're going to have a couple of lessons, you'll have a discussion, and that's pretty much it. If there's any questions whatsoever, just post up in the weekly Q&A, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay? That's it for me. Hope you guys are doing well and are safe and healthy and taking care of yourselves. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye.